Hi everyone, I'm back again with another video. This time it is a Luna Beauty Store Australia haul. I got a bunch of cool new Korean beauty products, so if you want to stick around and watch, please do. I'm showing a little unboxing moment, me thinking I'm an ASMR queen. I give you this little file, which is really cute. Oop. They actually ship from Australia, and I got my package in about a week. The last time I ordered from them, I think it took about like 5 weeks. I'm not sure what was different from the last time to this time. I know I ordered probably maybe June of last year, so I was very surprised how quickly everything came. Also, it was not a good choice to film this outside because it was windy and all the packing peanuts were flying away, but this is everything I got. I got a lot of Ururu sheets. I was kind of impressed that they were already pre-cut into shape, some of them, because I didn't realize that when I bought them. So this is the Milk Jam 3D clay by YOGO. It's really cool. It's very thick. I want to make like little 3D charms with it. I think it'd be really cute. Then I got this MAYO French brush, and just look at how crispy that is. It's so sharp. It's the perfect shape for French. I've used it on a couple clients already, and it just cuts the time like in half. And then, oh, look at these. So nice. So nice. I love those. This is the Ururu sheet by BONNIEBEE in blue. Very iridescent. That'd be cool for like mermaid nails. I got the neon orange, which is giving dragon scales type of vibe. This is the blue orange sheet that already is like pre-cut, which is very exciting. I'm gonna use that. Don't know when, but hopefully soon. If you guys want me to show a video using that, I will. And I got the neon orange version. Trying to get all those angles. So this is the floral tint by REVELRY, I think is how you say it. It came with a bunch of things. It came with a liquid, it came with a white jade putty, and this beautiful peach flake. So I'm just showing you the red and pinky, orange and yellow shades, and then the blue, greens, and purple shades. They also included a brown, which is really cool. I really like this product. I'm going to show you like a little tutorial now on how to do like a little marble design. The white jade syrup gel was a very weird texture. I'm not really a fan of it, to be honest, because it's a little hard to work with, and I just am in love with these peach flakes. I think they're so pretty. So I'm gonna start off using that dark blue shade and just place it in a little squiggle on a white nail. I'm not being very neat with it. I'm just kind of messing around. And then I'm gonna take my little brush that has the alcohol liquid that the collection came with, and I'm just kind of dispersing the liquid in no particular way. I'm gonna wipe it off sometimes if I feel like there's too much liquid on it. And the cool thing about these liquids is you don't have to cure in between, because like they just sort of dry very quickly, which is nice. Just play around, and then I'm going to take the lighter blue and put it on top of that darker blue. I'm using the Fiote mini oval brush, by the way, and I am obsessed. It's one of my new favorite brushes. It's great for floral nails, for designs like this. And I'm just sort of tapping and smushing in no way. I think if you were to do like crystal nails, you should use a reference photo to know what you're doing, but I was just kind of playing around. I had no particular design I wanted to do. Then I'm going to take the brown, add a little bit of depth, and sort of blend that out with the blue and make it look like a stone. I'm not sure what stone I was going for, but just something to break up the blue and add a little more earthy tones to it. It's super easy to blend out this product. It's very easy to work with. Then I'm gonna go in with this Presto gel. It's a very, very light syrupy blue. And I'm just gonna put it over some areas to give a little bit of a marbling depth effect. Because if you look at natural stones, there's multiple layers to them. And I do cure this for 60 seconds. Once that is cured, I'm going to take this taupey color by Presto, and it's not a syrup gel, it's a opaque color, but I'm just kind of tapping it into that brown that I already put down to make it a little bit more darker and to cool it a little bit because it was a little too warm and I wanted to make it a little bit more of a cooler tone. Not cure that yet. I'm going to put these beautiful, look at that. Oh my god. Ooh, sheesh. Like the TikTok sounds. And I'm going to put that in the brown areas. And I'm never in frame. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to work on that. It's really hard. But look at that. Like, that's so pretty. I put a matte coat on because I wanted to put more of inks on top of the gel that I already put down. I don't think you have to do that, but whenever I see like the Japanese and Korean girlies do it, that's what they do. So I'm like, okay, just gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna apply a top coat. It is the D-Gel Winnie the Pooh Honey top coat, I think, and it's so cute. I love this top coat. Every time I put it out, my clients are like, oh my god, that's so cute. I'm like, I know, right? I use the base coat too. I just didn't show you. And I used the white. For this was the white from the Fiote Yum Yummy collection that I did a video on. And look how pretty. So next we're gonna move on to these BONNIEBEE magnetic powders. And this first one is the Dewy Sky Blue. And I do mix these with the Izemi resin mixing gel. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this product, to be honest. Half the time it doesn't come out of the tube, and I don't know why, because it's not cured. Like, I don't have it cured from the hole. So I think there's other mixing gels you can use. I already bought it, so I'm gonna have to use it because it was kind of expensive. I think it was like $60, and it's pretty big, so I want to get my money's worth. But I'm just kind of mixing like equal parts, and I'm gonna show you guys just like the first layer that I put down, because we'd be here all day if I showed the second coat. But it goes on really pretty, and I think this would be cool if you were to mix it with a blue gel. Would look really pretty. I also learned after the fact of filming this video that I do my magnets wrong, so I will be making an updated video using it, because I was noticing that I'm not getting the best results using the magnet, and I was always wondering what I'm doing wrong, and I figured it out. So we'll be doing an updated video on that soon. See, look at that, super cute. Cure that for 60 seconds. I bought the second blue color. This is the Dewy Blue. It's slightly different. I'll show you once I finish the two shades side to side. One is a little bit more aqua, and the other one looks a little green to me. I don't know why. Look at that blue, it's so pretty. On the right is the dewy blue. It's much more of an aqua, as you can see, and then the dewy sky blue is giving more green to me, which is strange. I don't know why. It could be my lighting, but for some reason it's giving a mixture between green and blue. But now I'm using the dewy green, and this one is truly green. I'm glad I bought the powdered version instead of a gel, because if you didn't want to use the magnet, you don't have to, and you can rub the powder on, like, say if we're using the green powder, you could have a nice green base color already put on, and you can top coat it with a non-white top coat it, and then you can rub the powder on and it just gives like a chrome effect. I wouldn't even use the magnet because I don't think it really shows up as well if you were to rub the powder on the nail instead of mixing it with the gel and then applying it. But I like that I have those types of options. And I think this green is really pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with the Dewy Amber, and this color is really pretty. It's like a straight up honey amber gold. It's giving very Midas. It's giving, you know, Grecian goddess. And I'm glad I bought it because I don't think I have anything like it. I'm also sorry, it's been a long time since I posted a video in between my last video, which I think was a vlog of me opening my salon. It's just been kind of chaotic, you know, those first couple weeks of starting a business. So I apologize, I'm back, I promise. And I had some other life situations going on. Anyway, this is the Dewy Plum. This is really pretty. I was supposed to go to a Korean nail art seminar at Zillaboo this past week, and I'm really sad I couldn't go. I got sun poisoning over the weekend, and it was on a Monday, and I just felt terrible. My skin was like burning. This might be TMI, but like I was so sad I couldn't go. But next time they have a seminar, I'm definitely gonna go because I wanted to learn some fun new tricks for you guys. So I promise I'll make that happen. And then I have the Dewy Berry. And this one's a little bit more thinner. It was hard to really show everything, the magnets on this color. I don't know why. You'll see all the colors lined up together. So these are all the colors lined up together. I think they're so pretty, and now I feel like I don't need to buy any more magnetic gels, but I probably will. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a great day, and if you liked this video, please comment and subscribe, and let me know down below what you want me to film next. I already have a list of videos people have already told me that they want to see, so I promise I'm going to get around to that and do it now that I'm all set up in the salon and things are going much more efficiently. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.